Text 4. Let's talk and share speaking text. Student Iván Mauricio Lagos. Tutor Paula Andrea Beltrán. English A2. Welcome. Personal presentation. Hello, my name is Iván Mauricio Lagos. I live in Nemours, Nariño. I am 25 years old. I am student of the UNAT of the System Engineering program. What were you doing last Christmas? Last Christmas I was on vacation at my uncle's house in Popayán City. We celebrating the novenas as a family and preparing food at home to share. Typical regional dish. Ingredients: kilo of corn flour, container for stirring flour, 5 eggs, 1 cheese, 10 cooked potatoes, salt to taste, vanilla essence to taste, 15 leaves of achira. Delicious tamales preparation. Fire the chick all the ingredients. After that, in a container mix the corn flour, butter, cheese until you get a dough. After beat, add eggs whites and the salt, vanilla and vanilla essence. Then mix the dough with the eggs whites until forms a soft dough. After that, press the dough in the achira leaves by portions next to the cooked potatoes. Wrap the leaves and in a pot cook over medium heat for 40 minutes. Finally, you can accompany them with coffee or hot chocolate. I invite you all to try the delicious tamales here in the south of Nariño. Thank you very much.